What's up, dude? This is Near from the Bricks Dude, and today we're at Kolar Island at Thailand, and we have a special video just for you. Right before we start, please subscribe to our channel just right here. This is very important for us as content creators, so we'll be able to create some more good content just for you. Ready to watch? Let's rock.
In this video, we're going to show you our world of Lego City, also known as Lego Town. That means everything which is happening in the city. So you're going to see some old stuff, new stuff, vintage stuff, something like 50 years of collections and building MOCs, also upgrades of existing sets. Please remember there are other photos that will appear in between the videos, so wait till the end. And here's a cat, our cat. Let's start. So as you can see, we have a huge collection of Lego City. Well, maybe for some of you it's not much, but for us it's a lot, as it can cover a medium-sized carpet. And like you can see, we have these kind of old stuff, MOCs, sets, and also combinations with other things like the Creator 3-in-1, everything we managed to put that looks like a city or a town. Here's a construction site. They're working hard. And we even actually use the pattern of the carpet as a roadway. If we don't have, let's say, if you don't have enough roadways or roadway plates, you can use that too. This is a police car, that Camaro over there from Hawaii 5.0 TV series. So here's a hospital, police station. That's a little bank branch, also a barber shop nearby. Gas station, the old gas station of Shell. This is how Lego started, then they moved to Octan. Here's a bus station, a police car. Yeah, with light and sound effects from the 80s. A telephone, yeah. In the old times there used to be public phones like that. Also a public statue, a garden, park. And here's a garage. Let's open the doors. And there's a tow truck inside. Let's say that the dominant style here is from the 80s, when the width of each car was around 4 studs. You can even see old cars from the very beginning of the time of the minifigures, 1978, and others among them. Here's a neighborhood. This belongs to the airport. You can see there's an old plane, new plane, some natural scene from the time of Legoland of the 70s, and another natural scene here, a river, caravan, and that's the neighborhood. Let's look at the neighborhood. What do we have there? Two houses, two private houses. This one has a garage, parking place. This one has a nice bell that once you press it, you hear the dog barking from the inside. So this is how it looks from the top, from another angle, from the front, and again from above. Let's look from the behind. What do we have inside? This is the garage, and this is the post office. You can see a lot of parcels and boxes over there, and this is a kind of cafeteria or restaurant. And this is an office or maybe kind of factory by the roof. Also something from the 70s, which was upgraded and modified. The police station from the beginning of the 80s, and this is an old hospital from the 70s which was modified to be able to hold minifigures, modern minifigures. Here's the neighborhood again from another angle. Two nice houses and a very old garage from the 70s, and that's how it looks from the back, so you can see the interior of those two houses. And these guys are Texas Rangers. Well, actually they were supposed to be the cavalry, but we decided they're going to be Texas Rangers along with those animals. Also old stuff. These two guys are actually Mortar and Riggs from Lethal Weapon movie series. And again, other angles. That's the safari car from the 70s. Here's another caravan. And that's from the Lego movie, Emmett and Lucy, I think. The back, the interior of the houses. 3-story house, 2-story house. Well, I don't know whether to call it a city or a town. Fire brigade over there. They don't have a station, but they do have their vehicles. And that's the construction site, old and new. Also other people at work. The fire brigade, and from another angle with the black Camaro. Look at that thing. This is an old trick from the 70s. This is a mock of Chevrolet Camaro with Dano and McGarrett from the famous TV series of I-50. And here's another natural scene. The city, a green lung of the city, and the outskirts. This is an old passenger airplane from the 80s. You can see the inside along with a new cargo airplane from the last few years. Nice to put them side by side, see the differences. And nice to have for every collector. Let's put them back to place, ready to take off. And again, that's the city. And we hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribers, please subscribe down below. Thank you for watching.